Hello beautiful souls. Today we're gonna do something which I do to make myself feel better. I just washed my hair, so mind you, I don't look perfect on the camera, but it doesn't matter because I want to inspire you guys and you guys to see what I'm doing to feel better. And today I'm gonna use something for the face. So I had a clarifying mask on, I washed it off, I took a shower, wash my hair, so on and so forth. And now I'm gonna use this portable high frequency device that I love to use. It's this one, and this, I don't know if you can see. And I'm gonna show you how I use it. So first of all, make sure you put some of the tissues inside because you don't want to get dirty, or if you have an old t-shirt or you don't care to get dirty, then just go on and do it just like so. Then I will be using an orange. Yes, an orange, you heard it right. Look, I am not a cosmetician, specialized in this. Do your own research. I'm just here to show you what I'm doing, and it works for me personally. Let's say about 10 years ago, I have done this procedure in the salon, of course, so it wasn't this small device. And this woman, she has been a cosmetician, I think it's called, for about like 30 years. So she was pretty old. And this is what she was doing on my face, and I loved it. So since a few months ago, I ordered this device and started doing this. I cannot tell you how good my face is behaving, especially with the acne that I had. If you've watched my previous videos, you know I had like an issue with acne that I couldn't put makeup on lately. And I started doing this, and I kid you not, it helped so much. And I've seen such a huge difference in my skin texture. Like, whenever I do it, every time my mom sees me, for example, and she's the like strictest critique, she will be so honest with you in a good way, and she's always complimenting my skin. So, and besides that, even if she is complimenting or not my skin, I can see it for myself. I mean, I have seen a lot of benefits from doing this once a week. Maybe you can do it more often, I have no idea, I just didn't have time. And lately I didn't really have time to take care of myself how I would love to. So here I am filming this video and hopefully inspiring you guys to do something that is showing your self-love and just taking a moment to yourself. And then, yes, I know, but I swear it works. And I just do this. Oh, it smells amazing. And then turn it on, like so. Put it on my hand. I've seen many videos where people are just doing like this. This is not gonna work. You have to put it on the face and then just, you know, do this. Just like so. And I want you guys to understand that don't put it too high from the beginning. Like, you don't want to risk your face getting too sensitive. What am I doing? I'm just trying to put this because it's falling. Okay. Perfect. Mind you, I look crazy. Doesn't matter. But I'm trying to show you something so good. Like, it does work for me. It does, honestly, miracles. Like, my face never looked so good in a long time. other side. You need to make sure it's wet, like your face looks damp. Otherwise it's not good to use this on like dry skin, by the way. So we just do this. And again, I'm not a professional in this. Do your research before you do this. However, I'm just showing you guys what works for me. It might get a bit messy, but it's okay. I love this feeling. You have no idea. By the way, before you use this head, because you'll have to put it in, I will show you in a bit, make sure you sanitize it with like alcohol 70% or something. Sanitize it because it's not hygienic to use it right on your face because it can hold bacteria. So just make sure you do that. Also before, anytime you use it, and after. And just like so, I think you guys got the idea, you know. And put it around here, under the eyes. Again, do your research before doing it under your eyes, so on and so forth. And on your fine lines or smile lines, I guess. I have no idea what they're called. I will use it on my neck as well. Once again. And let me show you guys. So basically this is how you take it out. Always clean it before you use it and after. So that's how you do it. And I like to use this head for the under eyes. Let's add some more. Again, do your research. Don't do it just because I do it, but for me it works. And I turn it on, not that high. Just like so. Don't put it on a high setting under your eyes. And on your face, if you're using this for the first time, try it the lowest setting because you don't want to make your face too sensitive. I know I might look crazy with this orange bit on my face, but for me it works amazing. It's killing the bacteria, it's helping with the inflammation, with so many benefits for the skin, anti-aging, with hair growth. If you put it on your hair with a different head, it's amazing. It really works, by the way. I have tried it for a few months and I've seen a big difference in the growth of my hair. You can already, like, you can see that I'm blonde, so my hair is more dry than normal hair, I guess, or other types of hair. Like I have very thin, you know, damaged hair, so this helped a lot as well. You can use it for your hair growth as well. Oh, amazing. You don't imagine, this makes me feel so happy with myself when I do it, because mind you, even though I have it and I know its benefits and I can see it, visibly see the benefits it does on my face and on my skin and everything, because you start, you know, with work and everything else, you get lazy to take care of yourself, and that's a reminder for all of you to take a step back and make a promise to yourself, at least once a week, do something that makes you feel good. Massage, you know, take yourself out for, you know, breakfast, lunch, dinner, facials. You deserve it, because if not you, then who do you think that will take care of you more? And you cannot be the best version of yourself and happy and aspiring and there for anyone else before you are for yourself. And this is it, you guys. I'm back here again, you guys. Excuse my puffy eyes, my puffy face. I just woke up after very little sleep, not gonna lie. But I wanted to make this continuation, I guess, or continuing the video that I did yesterday on the portable high frequency device, and to show you guys how I do it for my hair so that it grows healthier. And here it is. I cleaned it as we left off last time, and I just turn it on just like so, and this is how it looks. Make sure you don't put it very high like I just did earlier, and just like so, take your hair, so you see the bristles here, put it throughout your hair to comb your hair all throughout. Make sure, because it is moving, but make sure you don't press too much, because you might risk to break this glass comb, I guess. this device's head for the hair. Apparently it's very good for hair growth and the health, I guess you can call it, of the hair. And to be honest, I tried it and people were asking me, what have you done? Because your hair looks so much healthier and like it grew way faster than usual. Like, don't expect, you know, 10 centimeters in 1 month or so, but you would definitely see results. And the only thing that I did that time was use this. Nothing changed in my hair routine. So interesting, because I didn't think it would work. Like, I'm very, you know, skeptical person. Like, I need to see it works before it works, in regards to, like, you know, hair care, skincare. But this does wonders. I don't know if you can see, but it did straighten my hair, didn't it? Is it in my head? I don't know. Maybe it's in my head. But I felt like my hair was way more fluffy. Fluffy, puffy, I have no idea. Like with more volume around here, right? At the beginning of this video. I don't know, maybe it's in my mind, you guys. So this is it, you guys. Like, that's how I'm doing it. Twice a week, or at least once a week. And you've seen, I think it takes about like 5 minutes. Sometimes if I have more time, I will do it for a longer period of time. But for now, I really have to run some errands. So yes, it's honestly, I think 8. Yeah, 8:29, so almost 8:30. I woke up. I did some cleaning around the house. So I'm pretty, you know, proud of myself today for doing all these things, plus didn't have a lot of sleep, you know. See you very, very soon.